Your periodic tests are starting from Monday. Today I will give you some questions in account which can be asked in the periodic test also. These type of questions. The multiple choice question in business studies also will be case study type or questions which need reasoning or logical thinking. Same way in accounts also, questions will be in such a way that you will have to solve them quickly to write the correct answer. You will have to solve them, or you will have to do some calculations in your brain, in your mind, so as to arrive to the right answer. So I am giving you some questions. You can practice such type of questions and prepare for your exam. Don't think that everything will be objective and multiple choice, which we will write on Google and we will find the answers. That will not work. So you have to be very, very quick. Keep your email ID ready. email ID सबसे पहले आपको डालनी है उसमें. email ID should be same which you are operating in your own phone. जिस फोन पे आप का लिंक आएगा, जिस फोन को आप यूज कर रहे हैं, उस फोन में जो गूगल में ईमेल आईडी आपकी है, दैट विल बी यूज्ड. ईमेल आईडी करेक्ट डालेंगे तभी आप जो है आगे बढ़ेंगे. योर एग्जाम स्टार्ट्स एट 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock you will get only 20 minutes. After that time, if you try to send the answer, that answer will not come here, because we will close the response. We will not receive any response after the time. I hope it is very, very clear. Already you have given so many Google form tests, so need not explain again and again. Keep your cameras on or be ready to be out of the class. Question number one. Question number one. Sandeep earns an average profit of Sandeep earns an average profit of 1,30,000 annually. Sandeep earns an average profit of 1,30,000 annually. Prince Paul, Prince Rotela. Average profit of 1,30,000 annually. The average capital, Ashay, the average capital employed, the average capital employed is rupees 6 lakh, is rupees 6 lakh. The average capital employed is rupees 6 lakh, and normal rate of return is 12%, and normal rate of return is 12%. Full stop. Salary of partners, salary of partners salary of partners is estimated to be salary of partners is estimated to be 25,000 per annum. 25,000 per annum. Keep your cameras on. Calculate goodwill. Calculate goodwill on the basis of calculate goodwill on the basis of 2.5 years of purchase of super profit. Two and half years of purchase of super profit. ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे पीरियोडिक टेस्ट में. आंसर दिए होंगे उसमें 3-4, बट यू विल हैव टू सॉल्व इट टू नो द करेक्ट आंसर. This is one example I have given. Number 2, ABC are partners. ABC five four one ratio. Five four one ratio. On 1st January, they decided. On 1st January, they decided to share equally in future. Anurag, to share equally in future. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 90,000 rupees. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 90,000 rupees. अभी मैं किसी से भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूं दोनों. You have written or not? Goodwill of the firm is valued at 90,000 rupees. Pass necessary journal entries. आपके वहां पर 4 जर्नल एंट्री दी होंगी विद डिफरेंट अमाउंट्स. You will have to find out the correct journal entry. That too you will have to calculate. Next, P and Q are partners. Next question. P and Q are partners. Ratio is 5:3. 5:3. They admit R for 1/5 share. Ans Gupta, you are writing. They admit R for 1/5 share. अभी क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे तुमसे जो लिखवाए. They admit R for 1/5 share. One-fifth share of P. They admit R for 1/5 share of P and 1/3 share of Q. They admit R for 1/5 share of P and 1/3 share of Q. Calculate sacrificing ratio and new profit sharing ratio. Next one. X and Y. X and Y ratio is 5:3. 5:3. They admit. Anurag, you are out of the class now. If you are Anurag only, get out. Enough is enough. If you do not want to follow my instructions, उस क्लास में जाओ जहां पर तुम्हारे को इंस्ट्रक्शंस फॉलो करनी है. They admit Z for 1/4 share. They admit Z for 1/4 share. And agree to share between them in the ratio of 2:1. And agree to share between them in the ratio of 2:1 in future. Calculate new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Next one. A and B are partners. They admit C. They admit C. The new ratio between them is 5:3:4. A and B are partners. They admit C. The new ratio between them is 5:3:4. A and B made equal sacrifice. A and B made equal sacrifice to accommodate C. To accommodate C. Calculate old ratio between A and B. Calculate old ratio between A and B. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन इस तरह से एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे, उनके ऑप्शन होंगे आपके पास. यू हैव टू सॉल्व देम एंड देन चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इसके ऑप्शन बता दे रहे हैं आपको, 2-3 बता देते हैं. आंसर 3:2. ये जो अभी क्वेश्चन बोला इसका बता रहे हैं. 3:2. 5:6, 7:5, 4:3। एग्जाम में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन होगा और उसका ऐसे 4 ऑप्शन दिए होंगे। वेरी क्विकली कीप योर नोटबुक एंड बुक विद यू, नोटबुक एंड पेन एटसेट्रा विद यू। क्विकली रीड द क्वेश्चन, जहां पर भी सॉल्यूशन की जरूरत है वहां सॉल्यूशन कीजिए। वेर एवर देर इज थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, think and arrive at correct answer and solve. Next, x and y ratio is 5:3. X and y partners ratio is 5:3. They agree to admit Z for 1/5 share. They agreed to admit C for 1/5 share. Full stop. C brings 10,000 for his capital. C brings 10,000 for his capital and rupees 3,000 for 1/5 share of goodwill. For 1/5 share of goodwill, which he acquires equally, from X and Y. Goodwill already appearing in the book. Goodwill already appearing in the book amounted to rupees 80,000. Goodwill already appearing in the book amounted to rupees 80,000, 80. Profit for the first year of partnership. Profit for the first year of partnership Prince, you are writing profit for the first year of partnership amounted to rupees 24,000. Amounted to rupees 24,000. Half of the goodwill, half of the share of premium for goodwill, half of the share of premium for goodwill was taken away by old partners. Was taken away by old partners. So I have just given you example of what type of questions along with the theory questions. Theory questions are there, case studies are there, HOTS are there, मल्टीपल चॉइस में सभी तरह के क्वेश्चन होंगे आपके, which you will have to solve very very quickly. If you waste time, mind it, after 20 minutes the link will be closed. You will not be able to submit your answer. You will submit your answer and the message will come that the link is already closed, no longer accepting any response. अब ये 5 क्वेश्चन है, मान लीजिए, इन्हीं को आप सॉल्व करके देखिए कैसे आप कितना टाइम ले रहे हैं. Many of the tricks are there, many of the tips are there which you should use for arriving at the correct new profit sharing ratio or sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio in retirement. Similarly for death also, what are the items to be credited, what are the natures of different accounts, what are the formats, what are different formulas of different methods of calculation of goodwill. They can be asked. So be very very quick. Don't depend on anyone. Don't cheat, because now you know very well that the exams, CBSE will take your exams, not the school. School will not take your exams now. CBSE will take your exam 2 times, in September, October and November, and one in February or March. Both will be board exams. So you cannot escape. You have to give the exam. Board paper will be there. And if you do such type of unfair means, use such type of unfair means or use unfair practices, definitely your result will be very very down. Solve these questions today and try to see how much you can score. In the next class, I will tell something about business also. Your paper will start at 8 o'clock sharp. Monday, 8 o'clock. I will send the link and you will solve it within 20 minutes and return. Thank you. God bless all of you.